Hello everyone, welcome to our channel News Meto. Like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get the notification of our daily news. Today's top stories are: Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday congratulated the Parliament on passing the two landmark farm bills and said that this passage of key bills will ensure a complete transformation of the agriculture sector as well as empower crores of farmers. For decades, the Indian farmer was bound by various constraints and bullied by middlemen. The bills passed by Parliament liberate the farmers from such adversities. These bills will add impetus to the efforts to double income of farmers and ensure greater prosperity for them, tweeted the Prime Minister. Our agriculture sector is in desperate need of latest technology that assists the industrious farmers, Modi said. Stating the importance and boost of technology in the agriculture sector, he added, "Now with the passage of the bills, our farmers will have easier access to futuristic technology that will boost production and yield better results. This is a welcome step." Through his tweets, Modi also reiterated that system of minimum support price will remain. He also added that government procurement will continue. "We are here to serve our farmers. We will do everything possible to support them and ensure a better life for their upcoming generations," he said. 8 opposition lawmakers in the Rajya Sabha, including Trinamool Congress Derek O'Brien, were on Monday suspended for a week for unruly behavior that took place as the House passed two controversial agriculture sector related bills on Sunday. The government moved a motion for their suspension for bringing disrepute to the House of the rest of the monsoon session of Parliament. The motion was approved by the House through a voice vote amid protest from opposition leaders. TMC's Dola Sen, Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party, Congress leaders Rajiv Satav, Ripun Bora and Syed Nasir Hussain and KK Ragesh and Ilamaram Karim of the CPI were among those who were suspended. The Rajya Sabha on Sunday passed the two contentious farm bills by voice vote as the House witnessed chaotic scenes after some slogan shouting opposition members led by the Trinamool Congress climbed onto the chairperson's podium demanding a discussion. The Union Home Ministry on Monday said the Tablighi Jamaat gathering in Delhi's Nizamuddin locality in March led to the coronavirus infection spreading to many persons. Union Minister of State for Home G. Kishan Reddy also said in the Rajya Sabha that Delhi police arrested 233 Tablighi Jamaat members and 2,361 people have been evacuated from the organization headquarters since March 29. However, regarding Jamaat chief Maulana Mohammad Saad, the investigation is underway, he said in a written reply. As reported by Delhi police, despite guidelines and orders issued by various authorities in pursuance of the outbreak of COVID-19, a huge gathering assembled inside a closed premises over a protected period of time and without any resemble of social distancing or provision of masks and sanitizer. This also caused the spread of coronavirus infection amongst many persons, the minister said. Digital media is spreading venomous hatred and is involved in deliberate instigation of violence and terrorism, the government told the Supreme Court today, saying that the court should regulate web-based media first. The government also suggested that the court should leave it to Parliament to decide on rules for electronic media. There is absolutely no check on the web-based digital media apart from spreading venomous hatred, deliberate and intended instigation to not only cause violence but even terrorism. It is also capable of indulging in tarnishing the image of individuals and institutions. The said practice is in fact rampant, said the government in an affidavit. Now we are signing off from today's daily news. This is Insha Siddiqui from News Meto. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.